B syndrome, case history number 2. Case study 2. Acupuncture Lu Shouyan. Mr. Wang, age 22, initial visit April 30, 1963. Chief complaint, migratory aching pain at the joints of the forelimbs for 2 months. History, the patient had suffered from migratory aching pain at the joints of the forelimbs, and his knees and wrists had been unable to flex or extend freely for 2 months. Other symptoms included vertigo, fatigue, chest distress, palpitation, and scanty dark urine. Physical examination, tongue was swollen with a thin coating. Pulse was wiry and rapid. The pulse at gallbladder 4 felt excessive. Diagnosis, migrating B due to deficient water phase with excessive wood, floating yin and yang. Clinical treatment. Principle, enrich yin and subdue yang. Scatter wind and drain dampness. Points, do 20, gallbladder 20, do 16, stomach 35, Sanjiao 3, large intestine 4, gallbladder 43, kidney 3, and liver 3. Manipulation, lifting, thrusting, and twirling were used for supplementation for kidney 3, and drainage was used for all the other points. All needles were retained for 10 minutes. Further consultation, after being treated 4 times with the above method, the vertigo was relieved, and the aching pain in the limbs was gradually improving. The patient still felt palpitations and chest distress, and the pulse remained 3D and wiry. The pulses at gallbladder 4 and stomach 42 remained excessive due to the B pathogen entering the heart, where it disturbed the heart spirit. The treatment principle remained the same as the first treatment, but with that added principle of calming the heart. Points, gallbladder 20, pericardium 4, heart 7, Sanjiao 3, large intestine 4, liver 3. Supplementation methods were used at kidney 3, and drainage was used at all the other points. All needles were retained for 10 minutes. After another 3 treatments, the patient palpitation were relieved, his vertigo disappeared, and he could sleep well. The aching pain in his limb was greatly improved, and he only felt slight pain when bending his knees. He had a crimson tongue tip with a thin white coating and slightly wiry pulses, with the right pulse wider than the left. The original point prescription was modified. Points, gallbladder 20, heart 7, pericardium 6, large intestine 4, kidney 3, liver 3, stomach 35, and EXLE 5. After another 3 treatments, the patient palpitation and aching pain in the limbs disappeared. His pulse was slightly wiry, but the right pulse and the left pulse were balanced. The tongue coating was thin. The original point prescription was modified. Points, gallbladder 20, pericardium 4, heart 5, pericardium 6, large intestine 4, kidney 3, and liver 3, and stomach 35. After a total of 12 treatments, the pulse of the patient was slightly wiry and rapid, and the left pulse was wider than the right. The pulse at gallbladder 4 felt normal, and the tongue coating was thin and white. The following point prescription was given to consolidate the effects: gallbladder 20, pericardium 4, gallbladder 4, and liver 3. Needled with drainage technique, the needles were retained for 10 minutes. Note, an exuberance of pathogenic wind causes migratory B. The patient in this case contracted an attack of external wind, cold dampness, while internally there was and agitation of liver wind resulting from water depletion. The internal and external wind working together led to the migratory pain of the forelimbs and migratory bee syndrome. The palpitation and chest distress reflected the bee pathogens attempting to invade the heart. Dr. Lu selected Du-20, Gallbladder 20, and Du-16 with drainage technique to dispel wind and subdue yang, and needled bilateral large intestine 4 and liver 3 with drainage to open the four gates and subdue the internal agitation of yin and yang. Kidney 3 was supplement to enrich kidney water and contain liver wood. Training techniques were used at Heart 7, Pericardium 4, and Pericardium 6 to scatter the pathogens invading the heart. In addition, he selected channel points in the local region of the affected limbs to eliminate B and relieve pain according to the theory of selecting points on the channel passing through the affected region. This case achieved clear benefits after 12 treatments. An interesting item in this case is Dr. Luz used the pulse diagnosis at gallbladder 4 and stomach 42. In this case, both of these pulses felt excessive, suggesting to the doctor that the pathogenic factor had entered the heart, causing palpitation and chest distress. Because this case is from 1963, and because these pulse location are no longer in common use anymore, this case provide an interesting look into the not too distant standard of care within China. Thank you for your attention.